What's up, dudes? OMS Daily Skate 155. We're back at it again. Like I said, we are going super hard in the paint. Waka flocka on the YouTube channel. I want to give a major shout out to Cameron Alden for the $10 donation via PayPal. That is super awesome. Shout out to you. If anyone else would like to donate, PayPal, oldmanskateboards@yahoo.com. That's how we get down. We're just gonna skate. No real plans right now, so I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. It's super awesome. Love you guys. Peace. Alright guys, that's what's up. A little skate session with Miguel at Lafayette Skate Park. I think the world's smallest skate park ever. Check out Crazy Bird Skateboards below in the description to check out Miguel's channel. Miguel got a line, and we did some tricks on the pyramid and the bank and on the flat bar. It's really hard to get any kind of roll up in that spot. But yeah, and then it got really crowded with the other homies that showed up. Shout out to them for skating. Always love to see people skating. Again, major shout out to Cameron Alden for the $10 donation. Again, if you want to donate to the channel, PayPal, oldmanskateboards@yahoo.com. So rad, like, totally blown away by that. Super shout out to you, Cam. That's what's up, everybody. Keep killing it. Like, comment, subscribe.